Ito, nakakainis talaga yung nangyari. After 1 year, from 2023-24, bigla na lang pinatay. Halos lahat. Ang sinabi, yung iba, sira. Anong klase yan? Dapat covered ba yan by warranty? Kung hindi sira, hindi kasi daw nagbayad na ng monthly subscription kasi expired na yung 1 year. Okay, pero ang mahal. Itong pangatlo, ang talagang hindi ko pwedeng tanggapin at hindi ako mag-a-amend ng muli. Aba, sinabi ng DICT, term mo na ito ha, kaya ako nagalit nun, alam nyo yan. Sinabi ng DICT, bibili tayo ulit. Itong sabi sa akin, mag-amend po kayo sa budget. 150 million. Hindi na kailangan po mag-amend. Meron naman kaming budget sa NEP, 150 million, papalitan namin yung 71 million. Why will I waste government funds from taxpayers' money when it was just installed? No, naiinis talaga ako kasi baka gawin nila yan sa ibang mga lawmakers. I'm agitated because ayokong linuloko kami. Sino sa DICT, sabihin niyo yung mga pangalan sa Region 6 or sa Central, ang nagmungkahi sa akin through my staff na bumili ng bago. At baka ginagawa niya yan sa ibang congressman or senator na gusto bili ng bili. 28,000 pesos per unit. Bakit ang purchase ng DICT 157,000? Can you confirm this? And the monthly subscription of the residential is 3,833,000. Sa gobyerno, 30,000? Aba, hindi ako papayag niyan. If I can say it myself, the principal author of the law that created the DICT. Since 1998, I filed that bill. There was strong opposition, let me put it on record, towards the creation of the department in previous decades, administrations. There were issues of turf, issues of political, political turf. I will not name which administration or what were the challenges, so natulog po yung aking bill. Fast forward, a few years ago, it was finally created by law. I kept on refiling it every Congress. Hindi po ako nagmamalaki, look at the historical record. Because I have to set that premise, because I will ask questions which are reality check. Narinig ko si Sen. Marcoleta, si Kong Garbin, at lahat. Gida-gida areas. O sige, kung meron bang mga talagang gida areas, yun ang probinsya ko ng Antique. Kasi bundok, kaya ng sa inyo sa Bicol din, Kong Arnie, at sa inyong lahat, kayo sa Mindanao.